Let's go look at GBP USD to see what happened for the last week of September so we can do some projection for October. Let's go take a look. All right, so here's GDP USD. This is the weekly time frame. As you can see, price. Let's look at what's the trend. That's the number one thing we have to look at. Price been doing higher high, lower low. There's the same low right here, and it does a higher low, higher high, and it's been going down since last week, a couple weeks, since end of August to September. So what we expecting for the trend to do? Maybe to continue higher, or it can continue higher this way, or he might break to go lower this way for a bearish reversal. So, but here's what we might think. For right now, we know the weekly time frame is telling you it's an uptrend. But for now, we know price is an uptrend. That is the most important thing to us in the weekly time frame. Let's go to a lower time frame to see what we see. In the daily time frame, if we're looking at this, let's see what might happen between these support and resistance right here. So we already see that price is heading up. Could price do this to continue to go down? You see that? And come back, break this, come here to make a inverted head and shoulder to continue to go up. Of course it can. Remember, in the weekly time frame, this is a weekly resistance right here. Price is an uptrend. Okay? So remember what we said, and then we were looking at the weekly time frame. So this is a possibility. Price can do that to come back up and then to continue to go up and then go up to test this support right here and then to even continue to go past it. That's a possibility. Okay, we're looking at trend right now. In the long term, weekly and monthly, it's in the uptrend. But in the shorter term, which is the daily, it is in the downtrend. But we know it's been doing lower low, lower high. So could it do this? Yes, it can. Come back to test it. If it will continue to go down, then if it does that, if we go back to the weekly, we'll see now, hey, we might break the uptrend to a new trend, which is a downtrend. This is the 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, obviously, the same thing. It's in a downtrend. That's a clear downtrend. Why I say that? Because it's doing lower low, lower high. Okay? And then look at the EMAs. 50, 100, and 200 EMAs. They all way up here on top of price. And then they line up 1, 2, and 3. It's heading down. Okay, so if you were in the market last week, let's bring it up. We know we're in the downtrend last week, and we see that price come down. This is our resistance, a 4-hour support right here that was tested, and now it was that is on the left. Now price come to it. When price get to it, price touch it, go up, give us confirmation that it might go up. And when it get here, this candlestick, go down, touch it again. This is where you would take your trade and then go up with it up to that point right here. So you can see price is touching the EMA. It's been respecting the EMA and go down. When it get here, touch the EMA, and you can see price been going down. This is where it's closed last week. 4 hour time frame, you can go 1 hour time frame to see where you can take more trade. If you are a 1 hour trader, that would be where you would come back to see, hey, price is going up, it's gonna test here, come back down. So can it continue to go down like we said? We will see for next week what's happened, because you see there's two EMAs been struggling between these two EMAs right here to try to go up again, but it can't do it. You can see it's migrating down. So if you go to 30 minutes, 30 minutes telling you, hey, the uptrend. See, look at that. You see that? This is a retracement in the 4 hour time frame, but in the 1 hour time frame, it looks like it's an uptrend, right? You see, and let's look at this. You see, it was low. It does this here, come back, high, low, higher. You see, this is why it's important to understand time frame, right? And come back, it does this, right? So that's why you have to understand time frame. You can see that the market this is a retracement in the 4 hour time frame, but in the 1 hour time frame, it looks like it's an uptrend. You have to know what you're looking at. If you are a trader who want to take your trade seriously, visit ETA25pips.com. They can help you with more.